Finding the best leave-in mate thermometer can make cooking feel much less stressful, especially when you want perfect results without opening the oven again and again. From my experience, the best leave-in meat thermometer lets you track temperature safely while the food cooks, which helps avoid dry meat and undercooking. Many home cooks and BBQ experts in the US rely on leave-in thermometers for long roasts and slow grilling because they bring steady, reliable results. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence, and all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Polder Classic Digital Thermometer and Timer. The Polder Classic Digital Thermometer and Timer is a simple, reliable kitchen tool. Its 24-hour countdown timer keeps track of long cooks, while the high-heat 40-inch silicone cord ensures safe use near ovens or grills. The thin stainless steel probe minimizes puncture marks, and the split-screen display shows temperature and timer at once. It reads in Celsius and Fahrenheit, remembers previous settings, and alerts you when the target temperature is reached. Perfect for home chefs who want precise, stress-free cooking. This thermometer makes grilling, roasting, or baking easier and more accurate every time. Number 4. TempPro TP20 500FT Wireless Meat Thermometer. The TempPro TP20 500FT wireless meat thermometer is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking with precision. I was impressed by its 500FT long-range connectivity, which lets me monitor my smoker or grill from across the yard without worrying about losing signal. The dual meat probes are perfect for cooking 2 pieces of meat at once, or keeping an eye on both the meat and oven temperature. Setup is simple, no app needed, and the backlit digital display makes it easy to read temperatures anytime. I also love the built-in timer, which counts up or down and alerts you when food reaches your target temperature. With USDA recommended presets for multiple meats and adjustable settings for personal taste, it's a versatile option for home chefs. Overall, the TP20 feels like a best leave-in oven thermometer choice for anyone serious about consistent, restaurant-quality results. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Chef's Precision Analog Thermometer. The OXO Good Grips Chef's Precision Analog Thermometer is a reliable tool for hands-off cooking. I love its USDA recommended temperature guide, which makes it easy to know when beef, chicken, or pork is perfectly cooked. The shaded probe insertion guide ensures the thermometer is placed at the right depth for accurate readings, which is great for smoking or roasting. The large, clear analog dial is easy to read at a glance, even from across the kitchen. While it doesn't have digital bells and whistles, the simplicity and durability make it one of the best leave-in probe thermometer options for home chefs. I also appreciate that it can stay in meat throughout the cook, reducing guesswork. The only minor drawback is the need to monitor manually, but overall, it's precise, sturdy, and user-friendly for any cooking setup. Number 2. CDN Waterproof Digital Instant Read Thermometer. The CDN Waterproof Digital Instant Read Thermometer is a dependable tool for both kitchen and grill use. I appreciate its fast 6 to 8 second response, letting me check meat and poultry temperatures almost instantly, and the stainless steel shatterproof stem, which is sturdy and professional feeling. With a wide range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from frozen meals to high-heat searing. NSF certification and BioCoat technology provide extra peace of mind for safe cooking. Lightweight and easy to use, it's excellent for grilling, roasting, or smoking, making it one of the best leave-in meat thermometers for smoking for precise, hands-free cooking. My only minor gripe is the small LCD display, which can be tricky in low light, but overall, it's an accurate, durable, and budget-friendly thermometer I rely on constantly. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Digital Leave-In Thermometer. The OXO Good Grips Digital Leave-In Thermometer makes cooking meats so much easier. I love how the continuous internal monitoring keeps my roast perfectly on target without me hovering, and the large LCD display is easy to read even across the kitchen. The USDA and chef-recommended presets take all the guesswork out of cooking beef, poultry, pork, or fish, and the 24-hour timer with a 10-degree warning alert adds peace of mind. The stainless steel probe and cord feels sturdy and can handle oven or grill heat up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The wired design is a little limiting, but the accuracy and convenience more than make up for it. This is a reliable and user-friendly choice and easily one of the best leave-in cooking thermometer options for any home cook. Final verdict. I personally recommend the OXO Good Grips Digital Leave-In Thermometer as the best overall product for its ease of use, large, easy-to-read display, and accurate leave-in readings that make cooking meat perfectly simple. It's ideal for anyone who wants stress-free monitoring, whether in the oven, grill, or smoker. For those looking for a more budget-friendly or compact option, the CDN Waterproof Digital Instant Read Thermometer is a great choice, offering fast, precise readings in a durable NSF-certified design. Both thermometers bring reliability and convenience to your kitchen, but your choice depends on whether you prefer continuous monitoring or quick, instant reads. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the meat thermometer that fits your style and cooking needs best.